In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get legendary weapons in Elden Ring Nightreign. So right here, this is the creator event. It's only under the creator. You can go down here by following like a really easy path. You will see like a tunnel to go down the creator, and you will like face a lot of obstacles. It's a bit longer, so I suggest doing this on day 2. So you need to defeat this magma worm to get to make your weapon a gold variety, so you can upgrade it to gold. So this is a good place to make your weapons gold. So magma worm, it's a bit tough, but I'm level 14, so this is a bit easy, I guess. But I'm doing 700 damage, which is nuts. um I think because it's weak to slash, so I'm doing 263, not bad. 526, but keep in mind I'm on solo, and I do have really good relics where I can stance break someone using two-handed weapons. So I'm doing that right now, and it's almost dead. I just keep hitting it with the single attack because I have a relic that boosts my initial attacks right there. Then I rush and kill him before I get killed by the lava. I get like a random knife or something like that. Butcher knife, it's okay, it's purple. I should have chose, yeah. Then I'm gonna make it to gold because I can. So from 282 it becomes 281, 282. And there we go, Legend Forge. So my weapon is now gold. So I see here, I'm just gonna, this is a gold weapon right here. I'm gonna unequip it. I see here it's a gold weapon. I don't know why it looks like Axe of Godric, but that's okay. So that's one way you can get the legendary ornament. The other way is by doing overworld bosses. So we're going to skip right now to a footage of me. I just defeated like an you know formidable enemy, and I have a chance to get a legendary weapon. So that's the second way you can get legendary weapon. So yeah guys, so that's how you can get legendary weapons in Elden Ring Nightreign. If you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And as always, I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.